I, oh,
Okay,
what
you
is
guys
behind
stand on
this?
that side.
Yeah.
We'll stand over here and we'll look at you.
So we're going to introduce the robot.
Okay.
So our robot has 3 motors, 2 large and 1 medium. The medium motor is connected to a worm gearbox, and the worm gearbox is connected to a series of gears with 9 points to attach attachments.
So our robot has 2 wheels and a marble caster. It also has a back frame to align, so to make the robot parallel with the wall. It has 3 types of sensors: 1 gyro sensor, 2 color sensors, and 3 rotation sensors, 1 for each motor.
So the rotation sensors are built in, and the back frame is used to align the robot, and it's also used for the robot to back up onto the wall so it gets so the back frame is parallel. So now we're going to explain the programs.
So the master program, it's our only program. It contains 7 my blocks. So you can easily skip through the master program if you want to skip a mission. And then you can click another button with 1 single touch. I mean, you can run another program with 1 single touch.
So first we programmed for different missions, and each time we get out of base we programmed it separately. Then we took each program and made it into 1 my block, and then in the master program we have the different my blocks where you can skip through the my blocks if you decide that you're not going to run one.
Okay.
And
Yeah, we have like 17 missions in all, and if we do all of that, we get 512 points. But we only do 16, so our highest total is 487. But in the competition rounds, our highest total right now is 457.
We have 17 programs.
17 total missions, but we
Total
only
mission-
have
okay, got it.
we have 5 different programs.
Got it. Good. Thank you for the clarification.
We also have 2 backup programs, one in case the time's running out, and one in case the lighting is different, so we have one
Like
in
the
case
sensors
without
don't-
the light sensors.
Yeah,
Okay.
they don't work. So,
You want to run the mission?
okay. Good job.
So why don't you start off with
It's
your
not drifting.
favorite
Check
mission?
it.
And before you start, can you tell us what it's going to do?
We're going to run our longest program.
Okay.
And
It's the final one.
It's our last program, and this is the one that we have the backups on. And what it does is it takes the truck and the ambulance into the yellow zone. Then it does the base isolation, and then relocates the tower into the, and it gets it into the pink zone with the height of 3 segments. Then it does the evacuation sign, and it comes inside the red zone. And when it does it,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
that one, and then we.
And this, it can use
No,
this.
no, it's
This
cool.
is 1 gig.
Carefully put it-
It can be used for lots of missions
Oh, that's great.
to use.
Yeah, and we have these dummy routes like that because weight matters. So just in case, like we don't get the water bottle or any of the dummy routes we were planning to collect, we'll put like a dummy one on so that we still have the same weight level, so that doesn't affect any other thing.
Oh, I see.
Because
We also use jigs to align so we have less variability. So
Why don't you go ahead and set up your favorite mission?
This is one of our jigs.
this is one of our jigs. It's used for 2 missions.
It's used to capture the pets and do the tree, and it's also used to get the green man and do the tsunami.
Before we go to the demo, could I have one person that's most familiar with the program? Just
Arushi,
about
she can
the
come.
session protocol.
She is the most familiar.
I can use my
not-
programming.
it's not-
Can I come back against
the
Can I
wall.
switch out with someone later?
Okay, so
Yeah, we can do that. We can just go through a full
yeah, we have some things at the table.
Because we all we split up the work. Some people did work on some programs, others worked on others.
So now we'll start one of our favorite programs and the most points.
Okay.
So this one
Is there a couple that you want to do?
is our master program. This is the master program.
Okay.
So each of you, so this one,
So now let's get this up. Now let's get the
And
ambulance.
then it's going to
This one is a little bad alignment.
But it's going to start us up in the blue zone, and then
It's gonna go
base
back.
isolation.
It damaged a little.
Okay, that works.
This is not a very good alignment.
Yeah, it was supposed to get it in here and push it all the way over the focus
Okay.
zone. After that, it's gonna back up and come parallel with this wall.
Okay.
It's gonna go straight until it sends us the black line, and then it's gonna turn, try to do this, attempt to do the sign.
Okay.
And then some line tracking to make sure it always goes in.
Goes back
and
and
then comes out.
I see, that's very well done. Let me count that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's also supposed to get that in
Right, I counted that.
And
So
there's
there's
also
definition,
multiple
one focus.
Yeah,
Also,
9, 10, 11.
Well, yeah, okay. I did count it all as one, so we didn't take some.
How many attachments total do you use, are you using?
We're using four.
Because we have
Well, so we got one that we use as the first one, and it's like this, and you can detach and attach it, so it goes on the robot and it gets the green man and does a tsunami. Then, so it doesn't take too much time. You just flip this out and take it out, so and then you don't need to remove the whole attachment. Put another one.
And then these light the color sensor. So when it's in the water bottle, so if it's turned, it like kind of aligns with the obstacle course and gets the water.
I see.
So you are able to do the what, are you able to do the obstacle course?
No, we're not doing that.
we just
Not very like
Next
nice
attachment is
things to do with that.
for the to get the fence and the tree branch. It goes just like this. It hits this, gets the fence, and it's back.
We used to be able to attempt the house lift
But we don't do it in like the tournament.
so this,
We
it
don't
was
have enough
attached
time.
on the side, and that was our drag. It used to go around, come there and try to push it. But
It's kind of like well, central line of that wall. When it comes
yeah, so when it used to come like this, and then but it toppled over. So when we attached this, and it went down, kind of just like keep
And
it straight
sometimes it
up.
gets the point counter. Sometimes.
Yeah.
How consistent are your runs?
Pretty very.
Mostly, we all like maybe 9, like every 9 out of 10 times we get like 400 plus runs.
Yeah. Mostly we get 400 plus.
I see. So which is your favorite mission?
The one we just showed
Just
you.
the one you just showed us?
Because it gets the most points and it's just kind of fun
It
to
is the
see what's
most-
going to happen.
Have you had any parts get misaligned during a run?
One time the green screen so
Okay,
we
thank
forgot to tighten it after we attached it, so then that part fell off.
Yeah, what do you
But-
mean by Titan? So as I showed you, like this slips on. Well, when you're when you're putting it in, this is tightened, but this isn't tightened.
So one time we were doing Green Man, it fell off like this, but we're still 4 connected, so I just barely managed to get it.
Yeah. So that's what it means by not tightened.
Yeah. So it can work with maybe a little bit of misalignment.
How about problem that you had on top?
So in one time, so we had the Green Man packet before, and it was all one part, and it would take some time to remove it. So then we thought of maybe a detachable part, which you can attach. So then you can attach it for the first mission, like Green Man, get it back, quickly remove it, and then you hit it.
And we got the idea from last year, one of our missions.
Yeah.
Maybe so it can take a ride.
Also, our robot, it's like it started with our basic design from last year.
So as you
That's
can
last year's
see, we
robot.
have like
This
full
is
connecting,
Last year's
and then it's the same with
this
that.
year's robot, and we just made improvements on this, and that's the same basic.
Thanks, guys.
Like see,
Yep.